everyone, welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. Today, let's talk about a GPT website. GPT stands for Get Paid To. These kind of websites allow you to earn rewards or even cash by completing small tasks like taking surveys, reading emails, watching ads, downloading apps, playing games, or just by referring friends, and etc. I've tried several GPT websites in the past like Swagbucks, Timebox, Survey Time, Current Rewards, Cash Karma, and currently I'm still using some of them like Cointiply, Honeygain, and a lot more. I know you're asking how these websites work and how they pay their users, so here's a quick peek on how GPT websites work. GPT sites partner to third-party companies who are in need of engagements. When a user completes a task through GPT site, the third party pays the GPT site and GPT site shares some of their earnings with the user. This is how you'll get paid and everybody in the circle gets to enjoy their earnings.
Okay, so what is that GPT site you're talking about?
Here it is. Let's get to know more about GCLoot. This is the website I want to share with you today, which is obviously a Get Paid To website where users get rewarded with in-game items, gift cards, or PayPal cash. So if you're into gaming and you've been paying for skins or any other in-game items, this might be the site you've been waiting for.
Interesting.
Let's dig deeper into it. According to the website, GCLoot is owned by Reward Holdings, who's in the business for 8 years now. They own other brands like GrabPoints and Zoombox. GCLoot was created and launched in 2020, and they market to people who are into gaming. The website includes gaming rewards such as Xbox, Nintendo, PlayStation, and Roblox. They claim that in a short period of time, GCLoot has become one of the primary destinations for the gaming community. Isn't that amazing?
Well, yeah. But is this real?
I understand you asking this because it is very important to know if this website is legit or just another scam. Well, I found out that it has a very good rating on Trustpilot. You'll see here that they got 4.5 rating from 101 reviews. It seems that most users who came here were satisfied users. Aside from checking the reviews, it is also owned by a well-established company, which I mentioned earlier. So to answer your question, yes. This website is legit and you don't have to worry about not getting paid.
Oh, amazing!
Now that we've cleared the doubts, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Then you'll just have to set up your profile, and here's how GCLoot looks like. You'll find everything you need here to earn points. You'll see your earnings here. In this part are the survey routers available for you to complete. The offer walls are also here. And the live feed where you get to see the kind of surveys being completed by users all over the world.
And how do I earn points?
Here's how to earn points in 4 different ways. Number 1, completing surveys. You gotta click that survey tab on the left-hand side of the screen and you'll see all the available survey routers you can try to accomplish with accurate information. Just hover your mouse pointer on the icon and you'll see the details you need to know before taking the survey. Down below are the survey walls. These are popular survey providers via GCLoot survey walls like Theorem Reach and Revenue Wall. You can see here the duration, the amount of points you gotta earn, and the name. Just click on Start if you're ready to take the survey. If you notice, I already have 279 points here because I finished a survey from this offer wall the other day. Right after you completed the survey, you'll be able to see your earned points here just like mine. You may keep your eyes on the live feed on the dashboard to see the most completed surveys by users all over the world, which you can try out in turn. You may also check the leaderboard and challenge yourself to be one of the top users soon. Number 2. Watching ads. On this page, we have 2 video providers, Hideout TV and Lootably. Select which video you like and sign up for you to be able to watch videos. For me, I chose Lootably. Just make sure that your GCLoot account is linked to it so your earnings will be credited. You'll see here the amount you'll earn for every video you watch, and you'll earn 7 points for every 3 videos with ads. Once you have earned enough points, you can now go to the GCLoot reward store and select your gaming-related reward. Take note that it takes 48 business hours to get the reward in your email. Number 3. Completing offers. In completing offers, you may need to install mobile apps for a certain required period of time. You might also be required to reach a certain level to earn points if it's a gaming app. There are also other ways to earn here, like visiting websites, getting cashbacks on your purchases, participating in a paid trial offers or non-paid trial offers. And once you have chosen the kind of earnings that you like, your earnings will be credited after you meet the requirements. Then you can claim your rewards on the GCLoot reward store. Number 4. Referrals. You can increase your earnings by inviting people to sign up using your referral link and earn as much as 500 points when they earn 1,000 points. Your friend will earn 500 points when signing up with your invite code. They have categorized the referral earnings into 3 tiers. This means your referral bonus will be depending on where your friend is located. For example, one of your referrals is located somewhere in Canada. The other referral lives in Japan, and the other lives in the Philippines. You'll be paid 250 points from your referral who lives in Canada, which belongs in Tier 1. You will also get 150 points from your referral who lives in Japan, which belongs in Tier 2. And 25 points will be given to you from your referral who lives in the Philippines, which belongs in Tier 3. Now, remember that you only earn your referral bonus when the person earns at least 1,000 points. And that's basically how to earn in GCLoot. Though they market to people who are into gaming, anyone can still sign up and earn here. I just want to set your expectations that GPT websites won't make you rich. These sites are designed to give a fraction of their revenue for every simple task you do for them. If you want to earn money for a living, then you have to find a job and make this as your side hustle to earn extra cash. And if you have decided to join this program, you may sign up on the link on the description box below and explore more on the website. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!